So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to install Google Cloud SDK on your local machine. And then once we install Google Cloud SDK, we then going to try how to log in into Google Cloud environment through command line interface using command gcloud. So let's jump into it. So since I am using Windows machine, so I'm going to select Windows here. So I'm going to download the Cloud SDK installer. I'm going to go with the defaults. Let's say all users, which might ask me admin credentials. I'm actually admin on it, so I'm going to hit yes. So keep it default. Let's say install. This might take a couple of minutes, and once it's installed, we should be able to use gcloud command from command line interface, either from shell or PowerShell or the Visual Studio Code terminal. So yeah, let's wait until it finishes and then we'll give it a shot. So it looks like it is successfully installed. As you can see the message here. So I'm going to hit next and then finish. So it automatically opened up a command line. So let's just see. Yes, you know what? I'm gonna cancel this for now, and then I'll hit PowerShell. And then from here, I would say, let's just see if it's successfully installed or not. Okay, so it looks like it did not install there. But in command line. Yep, it did. Let's try in here. Okay, so it works from here. Okay, so we'll try it from here. So gcloud, I can explain why it didn't show up here, but let me just log in here. So gcloud net. Okay, I did type that twice. My bad. Okay, so it's going to connect now. Should open browser. There you go. And I'm gonna use another account, which is tech. So it's asking me to allow access to various permissions here. So I'm going to just hit allow, and it should bring me back here. So if you see here, it says to pick. Let me close all these accounts here so that this is visible. So it says pick one of the projects. So I'm going to pick two here because that's where I'm going to use all my Terraform explorations. Okay, so we are all good now. So gcloud SDK is successfully installed, and we logged in into our GCP account through command line interface. So I'll see you again in the next video.